Hey everyone, this is Chris over at Acevacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your cleaning and vacuum repair needs. Today we're going to talk to you guys about vacuums that we get in here for repair, which are Shark vacuum uprights. This is the Duo Clean. There's so many different models. You have the liftaways, you have the Duo Cleans, you have the rotators, you have the Shark Rockets. There's so many more out there. So we get these in a lot for repair. A lot of these are issues that people think that they have to throw away the vacuum, and we're here to tell you that you don't always have to just dispose of your vacuum. Some of these issues that we see are really common issues and can be fixed relatively easy. All right. So some of the things we're going to go through. So this particular vacuum, this lady brought it in. It's making a loud noise when coming from the vacuum, and there's no suction. So after our technician took a look at it, we diagnosed that this vacuum, it was making a loud noise just because this has like a blow-off valve. So when it's clogged, when something's clogged inside of there, it releases airflow out through that little hole down there. So it was making a louder noise than what she was used to, but it didn't have any suction. So we found out that it was clogged up, and we have to remove the clog from inside the unit. While it's here, she elected to go ahead and do the full service cleaning, maintenance, and filters, which is recommended. If you don't do that every year and a half, I would recommend it, especially if coming from a vacuum expert. It's always nice to have your vacuums maintenance and service regularly. It helps prolong the life of them, helps them perform better, so there's so many benefits to that. A lot of the common issues that we see are obviously loss of suction or no suction. Typically it could be because there's a clog in this machine, which is like 90% of the time. Other times I do see where the filters need to be replaced if it's not allowing airflow to freely pass through because it's bogging the machine down. Sometimes you'll lose some suction from there. A lot of issues too we see is the roller's not spinning. Now these do have little motors on the bottom of it that do sometimes go bad, but typically it's just a simple roller replacement. We take the old one out, put a new roller on there, and you're back in action. A lot of it sometimes we see is no power. When the vacuum's not turning on, no power. It could be as simple as something as the cord went bad. That's usually where we start at, and usually what it is. The cord just goes bad and you have to replace it. Very rarely is it like a motor or something like real serious. It's typically just like a cord replacement, which we can do. Burning smell. Again, that could be from the rollers not spinning, or it's trying to spin and there's something jammed up inside there. Could be a belt, could be if it's a foul smell, maybe you suck something up in the vacuum and it's just not smelling very good, so you can bring it into us and let us fully clean it and service it, put new filters on it, and it's going to make it smell so much better. All of our estimates though, just for you guys at home, are totally free. There's no obligation to our estimates, so once we give it to you, you're not locked in with anything. You can come and pick it up if you decide not to go ahead and get it repaired. We do offer same-day repairs. So if you're somebody that needs to get your vacuum back quick, we do offer same-day repairs. But like I said, these are the common issues. I would recommend always maintaining your Shark vacuum at least every 15 to 16 months, just because it helps prolong the life of the machine and helps it perform better. So that's routine maintenance that you should be doing on all of your appliances, especially your vacuum. Just going to help it run better. Again, like I said, so a lot of the stuff that we do is very simple and easy, so don't throw your vacuum away, get frustrated with it, bring it into us, let us take a look at it, and we can really help you out and save you a lot of money where you don't have to go out and buy a new vacuum because you think something's totally messed up on it. You can call us, we're open 7 days a week, 703-997-9292. Call us anytime. But like I said, these are very common issues with the roller not spinning, burning smell or foul smell, no suction, it's not turning on. Again, these are all fixable issues that we see in here all the time that we can certainly get done for you guys. Alrighty, well I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, give me a call or come by and see us. And don't forget to like us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, follow us on our YouTube channel, and we have a lot of cool videos on there. Alright guys, thank you all, having a great day.